Designs. We just finished up this 2021 Yukon Denali, or excuse me, it'd be Yukon AT4. Denali obviously close, but different type of trim. So anyways, they both are on the same platform. They both run the same type of air ride suspension, which this one has. We have our 2-inch kit on this, front and rear. It also has our load leveling, our height rods, both front and rear on this. We did do a fender pullback kit in the front fender back here because we're running a 315/70/17 on it. This truck will fit a 285/75/17. It's a little narrower tire. Overall height is pretty close without any kind of trimming or modifications with the truck. But we've pulled the fender back here in the back. You can see that. So it allows for the end of the tire here to clear back here in the fender. And then obviously the factory fender liner came all the way down to the bottom here. So we brought it up a little bit and we pinned it back here in the corner to get it so at full steering lock. We don't have any kind of rubbing or any issues here, but we trimmed this up. And basically the whole reason for what we did this, or why we did this, was we want the truck to look as factory as possible and as clean as possible without cutting a big hole in the fender well. We knew that when this tire gets pushed up into the fender and it's articulated, the wheel up in the fender, that there's a chance it may rub, and so that's why we cut it up where we did, so it wouldn't, there wasn't any chance of it rubbing at all. So we want to share this with you, see how it sits level front to rear, and with these 315/70/17s on it, the truck looks great, and we want to share it with you. And if you have any questions on this lift kit, we are going to be releasing it here in the next month, and also the fender pullback kit for this truck. It's been very, we've had a lot of dealers ask us about this and shops and said, hey, we've got a lot of customers that want to run this, and so we are going to offer a kit for this. We're also going to offer the rock sliders. We are also going to offer it for the non-air ride systems. We're actually finishing that up here in the next week for the spring trucks instead of the airbag kit trucks. And then also we've got our ditch light brackets for this truck as well. So we have a bunch of stuff that's going to be out or is out for it. And obviously our roof rack and our ladder are in production right now as far as development. So anything you need, please reach out to us. Happy to answer any questions for you at any time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.